Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on matrices. This video is going to focus on multiplying matrices. Multiplying matrices is kind of a fun game. To be able to multiply matrices, you first need to know the dimensions of the matrix. To figure out the dimensions, the first number is the number of rows, so this matrix has 2 rows, and the second number is the number of columns, 4 columns. The second matrix has 4 rows and 2 columns. To be able to multiply this, the numbers touching have to be the same. If they are 4 and 4, your resulting matrix is the outside. So if the insides are the same, the outside is the resulting matrix. To multiply matrices, the first matrix represents the rows. So we multiply across the first matrix. The second matrix represents the columns. So we're going to multiply down the columns. The way we do this is we do it number by number. This 2 multiplies to this 2 plus the negative 5, which multiplies to the negative 1. Plus that negative 4 multiplies to this 4, plus that 6 multiplies to this 8. What I just did is I multiplied all the numbers in the first row of the first matrix with all of the numbers in this first column of the second matrix, and when I do this multiplication and addition, what I end up getting is the element in the first row, first column of my new 2 by 2 matrix. So you can kind of see this might get a little bit long, tedious, not hard. Okay, so for the first row, second column, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take this 2 and multiply to it, trying to keep the paper still, this 2. Then I add to that this negative 5 multiplied to this second 2 plus this negative 4 multiplied to the 0, and I do write out these 0 terms and you'll see why in a second, times this negative 6, positive 6, multiplied to the negative 1. Okay, so you'll notice in the lighter blue, or the numbers on the left, 2, negative 5, 4, 6, 2, negative 5, negative 4, 6. It's the same as the top row here. All right, now we're going to do the second row, first column. For the second row, we have a 7, but we're still multiplying to this first column, times 2. Then we have a 1 times that negative 1. You'll notice the second numbers, because this is the column, will all be the same. We have our 0 times our 4 plus this negative 3 times the 8. And then we do it one last time. So 7 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 0, fun, plus negative 3 times negative 1. So negative, once again, 2, negative 4, negative 5, 6, 2, negative 5, negative 4, 6. 7, 1, 0, negative 3, 7, 1, 0, negative 3 for both of them. 2s, negative 1s, 4s, 8s. Our column matrix, all of the numbers line up. 2, 2, 0, 1, 2, 2, 0, 1. So we can see where all the numbers come from. So then we multiply this out. Let's see. Let's do this. 4 plus 5 minus 16 plus 48 is going to equal 41. For this we have 4 minus 10 plus 0 minus 6. That's going to be a negative 12. We have a 14 minus 1 plus 0 minus 24. That's all going to be a negative 11. And lastly, we have a 14 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3, which looks like 19. Here is our final 2x2 matrix. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!